The two models that were exported in the previous flowchart are imported into the next flowchart. We will go through the process of importing and exporting process models as an incremental approach to generate the final model we require for our analysis. This flowchart calculates the closest path from all the positions in the road network to all the transport nodes. The process uses the analyze.closestPath function. In the calculation, each edge may be assigned with a weight attribute, and the smallest sum of the weights in a path would correspond to the shortest weighted path. Here, we have defined the weight to be the length of the edge. Additionally, we have defined two nodes in the network as proposed transport nodes. Finally, we set the result as an attribute in the source positions and export the newly processed model in the next node. The third flowchart creates a grid of cells from a set of imported geographical plot data. The plots are cleaned before they were offset and unioned to create a single polygon. A grid of cells is then created to the size of the axis-aligned bounding box, and only the generated cells which intersect with the unioned polygons were kept. Perimeter cells were deleted as they were not square cells. Finally, the model is exported in the next node.